Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a collection of IKEA kitchen gems that are both practical and stylish. From cookware and storage to clever utensils, these pieces are designed to make cooking easier and your kitchen more beautiful. Let's dive right in. 1. Färgklar plate, light pink. A versatile stoneware plate with a simple, functional design that matches easily with other dinnerware. The reactive glaze finish gives each piece a unique handcrafted look, perfect as a base for everyday meals or festive occasions. 2. Tillagd serving set. 2 pieces. Brass color and elegant stainless steel serving set with a brass-colored coating. Adds a golden touch to festive table settings and special occasions. Pairs perfectly with other items in the Tillagd series for a coordinated and stylish look. 3. Gullrismott food storage bag, 9.5 quarter reusable jute bag for storing potatoes and root vegetables in the dark to keep them fresh longer. Lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. Practical for both shopping and pantry organization, combining durability with natural style. 4. Färgklar mug, light pink. 14 ounces a simple yet stylish mug for coffee or tea, finished with a reactive glaze for a unique handcrafted look. Its straightforward design coordinates easily with other Färgklar dinnerware, making it a versatile and durable everyday choice. 5. Välvårdad soap dispenser. Brown a traditional style soap dispenser that adds rustic charm to the kitchen. Refillable and eco-friendly. It can be used for dishwashing liquid, sanitizer, or hand soap. Durable and easy to maintain. Designed for repeated use over time. 6. Vardagen dough whisk. Stainless steel beech a Danish dough whisk with a sturdy wooden handle and stainless steel loops. Ideal for mixing bread dough, batter, or minced meat without sticking. Easy to clean, ergonomic to use, and part of the timeless vardagen kitchen series. 7. Farmarkvast compost bin. Gray-green 135 ounces a practical compost bin made with recycled plastic. Perfect for collecting kitchen scraps. The folding handle makes it easy to carry, while the simple design is easy to clean without bags. Keeps odors contained with a secure lid. 8. Uppfylld grater with container. Set of 4. Mixed colors a colorful grater set with 2 sizes and a transparent container. Grate cheese or vegetables directly into the container, add the lid, and store in the fridge. Dishwasher safe and simple to use for everyday cooking convenience. 9. Klipfisk saute pan with lid, gray turquoise a cast aluminum saute pan with non-stick sol gel coating, wooden handles, and a glass lid with strainers. Suitable for all cooktops, including induction. Designed for efficient heating, easy pouring, and stylish serving at the table. 10. Velvårdad dishwashing brush refills. Agave leaf fiber eco-friendly refills for the velvårdad dish brush. Made from natural agave fibers. Durable, effective, and easy to replace, helping reduce waste while keeping your dishes clean with a sustainable touch. (11) Lättbekad bowl scraper, silicone, light blue, a flexible silicone spatula designed to scrape bowls and containers clean without scratches. The curved edge reaches corners, and the soft grip makes it comfortable to hold. Safe for non-stick cookware and dishwasher friendly. (12) Back Tradition baking mat. Beige reusable silicone baking mat with printed circles to help shape evenly sized cookies or pastries. Prevents sticking, ensures easy release, and is dishwasher safe. Heat resistant up to 437 degrees Fahrenheit for versatile oven use. (13) Skolist sink container, extendable, a practical organizer for dish soap, brushes, and sponges. Fits most sinks with adjustable length and includes a sidearm for drying dishcloths. Drainage holes keep items dry, while the anti-slip handles secure it in place. (14) Consus roasting pan with grill rack, stainless steel, a versatile roasting pan made of stainless steel with a grill rack. Ideal for oven or barbecue use, allowing juices to drip onto vegetables below for added flavor. Durable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for family meals. (15) Uppfylld jar opener, off-white bright orange. A practical jar opener that helps you open lids from 3 to 7 centimeters in diameter. The silicone interior and handle provide a strong grip and prevent slipping, making it easy to open jars and bottles safely. (16) Uppfylld rotary grater, set of 2. White, a smart rotary grater that allows coarse or fine grating with interchangeable inserts. Designed for both right and left-handed users. Easy to hold, simple to clean, and dishwasher safe for added convenience. That's it for our roundup of IKEA kitchen gems. Simple, functional, and affordable. Each of these items can make your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home and kitchen inspiration. See you in the next video.